Watch this video and learn how to draw a unicorn cake pop. Later in the video, Bunny, Artie and the gang sing a song. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, gang, it's Artie's show!
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's rush.
Artie?
Oh, hello, little artist. Artie didn't see you there.
You know we got some new marker pens.
Yeah.
Should we use them today?
Oh, yes. Artie's going to do a drawing today.
Awesome. Let's use the new markers.
Yeah. Okay. Woohoo!
Good day, Artie.
Hey there, Artie.
Are you ready to create some art?
I'm ready. What are we going to draw today?
I thought we could draw a unicorn cake pop.
Oh, yeah. That'll be great. Oh, I'm excited. Yeah. Okay. Let's start.
Let's hop to it!
Let's start by drawing a left eye. Draw a circle towards the top of the page on the left side. That's it, Artie. Now let's draw a smaller circle inside towards the top on the left. Perfect. Let's shade it in black. I think that eye is staring at you, Artie. Let's draw a right eye so it doesn't look so weird. That's it. Another circle. Don't forget the smaller circle inside. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, little artists, don't worry. Here's a message from Bobby Bananas.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Thank you, Bobby. That was very helpful. Now, let's draw a big circle all the way around the eyes and face. This is going to be the cake part of the cake pop.
Hello, Artie!
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Did you miss me? 'Cause I missed you.
No.
Wow, I'm hopping with excitement over this drawing, Artie.
Oh, thank you.
Have a hoptastic day. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, she's so cute, Artie.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, she is. Okay, let's finish drawing this nice circle around the eyes. Do it in sections. It'll be much easier that way. Nearly done, Artie. Just the top piece.
Oh, song break.
Song break?
Yeah, let's have a song break.
Good idea.
Song break, song break, song break, song break, song break.
Let's go to the park, it's a sunny day. We'll run and jump and laugh and play. Swings go high, slides go low. There's so much fun wherever we go. Tag, you're it, now chase me fast. Who will reach the big tree last? Sharing toys, we take our turn. Playing together helps us learn. The birds sing songs, the clouds drift by. We wave at the squirrels as they scurry nearby. Let's count the flowers, 1, 2, 3. Nature is so fun to see. Now it's time to say goodbye. We'll come back soon, oh don't you cry. The park is waiting, it's always true. A place for fun for me and you. The birds sing songs, the clouds drift by. We wave at the squirrels as they scurry nearby. Let's count the flowers, 1, 2, 3. Nature is so fun to see. Ooh, 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 ooh. the clouds drift by. We wave at the squirrels as they scurry nearby. Let's count the flowers, 1, 2, 3. Nature is so fun to see. Now it's time to say goodbye, but we'll come back soon, oh don't you cry. The park is waiting, it's always true, a place for fun for me and you. The birds sing songs, the clouds drift by. We wave at the squirrels as they scurry nearby. Let's count the flowers, 1, 2, 3. Nature is so fun to see. The birds sing songs, the clouds drift by. We wave at the squirrels as they scurry nearby. Let's count the flowers, 1, 2, 3. Nature is so fun to see.
Oh, that was a really good song break.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
Great job.
Oh, thank you.
Should we continue with the drawing?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Join. Okay.
Let's give our cake pop some hair with a nice wavy line. Watch to the end to see Artie in an awesome cartoon. Let's draw some ears. First of all, the right one. Perfect. And of course, now the left one. Let's add the horn. All unicorns have horns. An angled line going up towards the top, a tiny little curve, and then come back down again.
Oh! Oh no! What's that music? Oh, it's painty.
Look out! Uh-oh.
Painty! He's done it again, little artist. He's made a big splodgy yellow mess everywhere. Ah, he's a little rascal. Ooh, the horn's looking good, Artie. Let's add some angled lines inside. Perfect.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
You want a cartoon break?
Yes, please.
Well, I guess we can.
Yay! Cartoon break. Cartoon break.
Off to Cartoon Land. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured pink. Artie loves pink. Look, pink flowers. Pink candy. Yum. It's a little pink piggy. Yay, pink doors. Artie, you found lots of pink things. Artie loves pink.
Oh, that was a really good cartoon break.
We learned about pink.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing now?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Let's draw a cute little smiley mouth. Curvy line, and then another one just underneath, and shade them in black in between. Oh, so cute.
Artie is so talented, it makes me want to sing.
Barry, you've started all the neighbourhood dogs barking again. Oh, dear. Oh, good job, Artie. You're adding the stick. Don't forget the half circle at the bottom. Very good. You know, I think you might be finished. What do you think, Artie?
I finished.
I thought so.
Yeah. I want to color it in.
Well, of course.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay. Yeah.
It's coloring time!
I'm finished.
Wonderful work, Artie.
Yeah.
Really colourful.
Yeah, looks really good.
It does. Are you happy with it?
Very, very happy.
Ah, that's nice.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
Have an Artie day. Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.